Creating a sales page in Kajabi is a powerful way to showcase and sell your products or services. Here's how to do it in a few steps. Log into Kajabi. Go to Kajabi and log into your account. Navigate to the sales page section. From your dashboard, click website in the left-hand menu. Select pages and click on new landing page to begin. Choose a sales page template. Kajabi offers templates specifically designed for sales pages. Select one that fits your style by clicking Get Started. Customize the sales page. Use Kajabi's drag and drop editor to add elements like product images, descriptions, pricing details, and testimonials. Include a compelling headline and sub-headline to grab attention. Add a call to action button to direct customers to check out or learn more. Use sections for benefits, features, and FAQs to build trust and address customer needs. Set up integrations. If selling a product, ensure the sales page is linked to a Kajabi offer and payment method. Optimize and publish. Add SEO metadata under settings. Click save and then publish the page.